Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to fill the cell color on your WPS spreadsheet on your mobile. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to fill the color inside the cell on your spreadsheet on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. So first of all, just opening a blank document here, you can see. So I just need this particular first row of cell. I just need some color. So you just click on this icon option and just scroll down and you will see an option called fill color. Just click on this icon so you can see fill the color, or if you just don't want the color, you just click on this three dot option for filling a different type of colors. Make sure to click on the light colors so it will be look great. So the same thing I just going to do for the another row. So I just need this row should be on gray color, and this row should be on light green color like this. You can also fill for color for a single cell like this. You can for an example for the heading, you can fill like a dark color if you just need it. This is how you just fill cells color on your WPS spreadsheet mobile look like this. And I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.